We all know the iconic puzzle, the Rubik's Cube. Most people spend hours and hours turning and twisting it around, while some, like this 24-year-old Australian man named Felix Zemdex, can solve it in just seconds.
Come on, get a sub 5.
Seconds. So how did this magnificent piece of engineering even come to life? Well, it all started in 1974 by a man named Rubik. He was a Hungarian professor that wanted to teach his students about three-dimensional problems. So he created what he called the Magic Cube. It took him over a month to solve it for the very first time. In 1977, Erno started manufacturing the cube in small batches. After a year, it started to get more popular in Hungary. In 1980, Erno changed the Magic Cube's name to the Rubik's Cube. 2 years later, in 1982, he held the first ever Rubik's Cube World Championships in Budapest, Hungary. Min Tae won the competition by getting a 22.95 second solve.
Los Angeles, California. He came to the United States 3 years ago with his family from Vietnam. He first saw the cube in June 1981 and solved it within 7 days of practice in under 2 minutes. And now 2095.
After that, it started to get more popular around the world, and some companies started to create a better design so people could solve it faster and faster. In 2007, a man got the first ever official sub-10 solve, breaking the world record. Then in 2015, Lucas Eder broke the world record by getting a 4.9 second solve. The record started to stagnate after that, only shaving off 0.2% of a second. Rubik's Cube engineering also got slower and slower. But in 2018, Yusheng Du shaved off 0.75 seconds off the world record, getting a mind-boggling 3.47 second solve. People have gotten faster solves, like this one from Max Park.
Whoa, yes!
But it can't be confirmed because it was from home. Rubik's Cubes have also improved so much in the last 10 years that has contributed to getting faster solves. The first ever magnetic Rubik's Cube helped with overturning and corner twists. In 2018, a company called GAN created the first ever mass-produced robot for their smart cubes. The world record right now for the fastest Rubik's Cube solved using a robot is 0.38 seconds.
Solving in 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah.
Did it.
And the world's largest Rubik's Cube is this 19 by 19. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this one. But until next time, I'm Madhuri.